Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to upload music to Spotify on your Android device. So, open your Spotify app and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And then all you need to do is scroll it down. Then you need to find the import music. So you need to import your music, add your music from this device. So as you can see here, so tap that circle icon. We're gonna check and tap on import at the top right corner. Then tap on OK. So go to your library and tap on like songs. All the music on your device are all uploaded on your Spotify app. So you can play these songs wherever you are, even if you are online or offline mode. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.